Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing the stage and the moving object. Convert your artwork into a symbol so Animate can tween it, then place that symbol on layer 1. Next, add a new layer above and enable a classic motion guide from the layer menu. This guide layer holds the path you'll draw. Draw a single clean path with the pencil or pen tool. Make sure the path begins roughly where the symbol sits. Once done, you're ready to attach the symbol to that guide and begin the tween. Now attach the symbol to the guide and set up the tween. Drag the instance until the attach point snaps to the guide and you see the linking indicator. That ensures the clip follows the path. Extend frames and create a classic or motion tween on the symbols layer so Animate interpolates along the guide. Make sure to choose orientation options in Properties if you want rotation to follow the tangent. Once set, scrub the timeline to preview motion. Finish by refining the path and exporting your animation. Tweak individual anchor points to smooth arcs or tighten corners, and adjust frame spacing to change speed. Make sure your symbol's registration point is positioned intentionally. That affects how it attaches to the guide. When satisfied, export to your target format. Consider rasterizing or baking frames if importing elsewhere. If the symbol refuses to snap, check for nested timelines, reset transformations, or reconvert the object to a simple symbol.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.